Reload Django object from database. Is it possible to refresh the state of a Django object from database? I mean behavior roughly equivalent to update, found a reopen/won't fix war in the tracker, this URL. Still don't understand why the maintainers don't like this.
As of Django 1.8 refreshing objects is built in. Link to docs.
I found it relatively easy to reload the object from the database like so. As Atflim pointed out, this is a really awesome solution. This reloads all data from the database into the object.
In reference to a grep's comment, shouldn't it be possible to do